If you're looking for a professional automotive diagnostic tool, in this video, I'll introduce you to two diagnostic tools that are already being used by workshops around the world, the Tabscan T6 Elite and the Tabscan T6 Xentry. I'll walk you through what each device does, how they differ from each other, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workshop. Same brand, two completely different philosophies. And picking the wrong one means either paying for features you'll never use or buying add-ons you thought were already included. Let's break down exactly what each device was built to do. Before we get into specs, I want to ask you one question. Does your workshop service multiple car brands, or do you specialize in one? That single answer will determine which device makes sense for you almost every time. The Tabscan T6 Elite is a multi-brand platform. One device, many manufacturers, expandable through a flexible license system. The Tabscan T6 Xentry is purpose-built, exclusively for Mercedes-Benz with diagnostic depth on par with the official Xentry software used by authorized dealers. Let's go deeper on each. The T6 Elite was designed around one idea, a single device that can handle as many vehicle brands as possible. On the hardware side, it's a professional handheld scanner with a clean interface, standard OBD2 connectivity, and support for CAN, K-line, and modern communication protocols. But the real story is the license system. When you purchase the T6 Elite, you're buying the hardware and the core software platform. To activate diagnostics for a specific brand, Toyota, BMW, Audi, Hyundai, Ford, Mercedes, and others, you purchase the corresponding license for that brand separately. That might sound like a limitation. It's actually one of the smartest things about this device. Think about it this way. If your shop doesn't regularly see Mercedes vehicles right now, you don't need to pay for that license today. 6 months from now, when that changes, you add it. You only pay for what you actually use. In terms of diagnostic depth, the T6 Elite reads and clears fault codes across all systems, streams live data, performs coding, adaptations, and brand-specific functions at a professional level. This is the device for workshops that want one tool capable of handling everything while keeping costs under control at every stage of growth. The T6 Xentry is a completely different story. This device wasn't designed to do many things. It was designed to do one thing better than anything else in its class: diagnose Mercedes-Benz vehicles. In fact, for many workshops, the T6 Xentry has become the go-to alternative to Mercedes' own original diagnostic tools, the C4 and C6, at a fraction of the cost. The moment you open T6 Xentry, the interface, menu, structure, and diagnostic workflow all mirror the Xentry platform used by Mercedes dealers, not a generic multi-brand layout. What does that mean in practice? You can perform SCN coding component-level coding after part replacement exactly as Mercedes requires it. You can run dock procedures, flash ECUs, and reprogram electronic control modules. At an authorized dealer, operations like these can cost hundreds of dollars per session. With T6 Xentry, you perform them in-house. And here's an important point. There are no additional licenses to buy. You purchase the T6 Xentry and you have everything right out of the box. T6 Xentry covers the full Mercedes-Benz lineup: C-Class, E-Class, S-Class, GLE, GLC, AMG performance models, EQ electric vehicles, and Sprinter commercial vans. If your workshop runs on Mercedes, this is the tool that lets you do work that used to be exclusive to authorized service centers. Let's put it side by side. 3 differences that matter most. Number 1, brand coverage. T6 Elite, multiple manufacturers, expanded through licenses. T6 Xentry, Mercedes-Benz only with no feature restrictions. Number 2, cost structure. T6 Elite, hardware up front, licenses added as needed, flexible, scalable, cost controlled. T6 Xentry, single investment, full access from day one ideal when Mercedes is the core of your business. Number 3, diagnostic depth. T6 Elite, professional grade across many brands, more than sufficient for day-to-day work at a multi-brand workshop. T6 Xentry, dealer equivalent depth for Mercedes, including complex procedures like module programming and ECU flashing. Neither device is objectively better. There's only the device that fits your workshop better. So which one is right for you? Go with the T6 Elite. If your workshop services multiple brands, you want to expand your capabilities gradually, and you need a versatile tool that scales with your business. Go with the T6 Xentry. If the majority of your work is Mercedes-Benz, you need dealer-level diagnostic depth, and you want a device that's ready to go the moment you open the box, no additional setup required. T6 Xentry for Mercedes, T6 Elite for everything else. We are an authorized Tabscan distributor. When you purchase through us, you're not just getting the device shipped to your door. We provide remote technical support, setup guidance, and ongoing assistance. So when you run into a difficult diagnostic case, you have someone to work through it with. Pricing and contact details are in the description below. If this comparison was useful, hit like and subscribe for more technical content. See you in the next one.